Hi, what's up, everybody? So listen, I posted earlier today about DJ Envy and Flipping New Jersey's real estate seminar. The last two of the year, 11/17, we're going to be in Atlanta, which is this Sunday, and then 12/15, we're back in New York at the Jacob Javits Center in New York City, right? So I always get a lot of questions from real estate agents, loan officers, financial planners, insurance people, whoever, right? They always ask me, like, Matt, how do you go about growing your business? I always tell them, listen, you got to get out there, whether you're on social media, whether you're at networking events, whatever it is, you got to get your name known. You got to put your information, your content out there, and people need to know who the hell you are, quite frankly, and know what you do and how you can help them. If there's a problem, you need to have the solution. But the easiest way for anyone to get business is to attend seminars where your ideal client will be. So if you're a real estate agent, even if you're a mortgage professional, and if you want to know how you're going to grow your business in 2020, look around you. There's real estate seminars every way. Invest into those seminars, whether the price is $100, $200, $500, whatever the price is. Go to these seminars, not only to learn from the presenters and the people who are hosting these seminars, but your next deal is in that room. So if you are in Atlanta this weekend, if you're a real estate agent, especially if you're a new agent, or maybe you don't have a growing book of business and you want to continue to grow your book of business in 2020, the only place you need to be this Sunday is at the DJ Envy and Flipping New Jersey Real Estate Seminar. There's going to be well over 1,000 people in the audience. That's a prime opportunity for you to network. There's only a limited amount of tickets left. I need to see more realtors in the building, more loan officers. You guys need to be in the building. You need to be there networking, meeting the people, because like I said, your next deal could be in that building. So for the price of admission of $99, you can potentially make a couple $1,000s. On a Sunday when you're probably doing nothing but watching football, maybe working an open house where you're gonna roll the dice and hopefully get a buyer, why not come down to the seminar when you know there's gonna be 1,000 plus either current homeowners or future homeowners who want to continue to invest into real estate. So click that link in my bio. Make sure you get your tickets today. And especially if you're in New York, right? If you are a local real estate agent in New York City, if you have not gotten your tickets to the December 15th at the Jacob Javits Center yet, you should really consider going. There's going to be close to 3,000 people there. Listen to me, 3,000 potential or current homeowners or potential new home buyers, right? You need to be there. Your network it's all about your network if you want to grow your business. So attend these last two seminars for the year. Make sure you sign up. Even if you're going to be in DC on December 7th, you need to sign up to the Earn Your Leisure's mobile home and stocks seminar. There's going to be about 150, 200 people in the building right there. Get your tickets, meet the people if you are in that market. These people want to buy real estate and also invest in the market. So you need to be there to network with these folks because they're like-minded folks. They have a couple dollars and they want to spend it and they want to invest, right? So I don't want to hear nobody complain that they don't know how to get their deals or they don't know how to get buyers when there's plenty of seminars, not just the ones I'm associated with Earn Your Leisure and DJ Envy and Flipping New Jersey, but there's plenty of seminars happening throughout the country. If you are having a hard time of finding deals, attend seminars and network with the people. You should go there with a goal to give out your card to every single person that you come in contact with and let them know about your business, all right? So invest into these, if you are industry professional, real estate, mortgage, CPA, whoever you are, invest in yourself and attend one of these seminars, all right?